Hello guys, right, and girls, I hadn't intended to make this video, but as always I often say when things come into my head it's best to make the video and get it uploaded quickly, or I forget to mention it. So we've been talking about line charts, and this I was going to post this as a just a chart on Twitter, but I felt it needed some more explanation. So the line chart is the one EMA set to close, the closing price in other words. So when you get a situation like this here, a trend reversal, low, high, higher low, higher high, and that little line there is a 3-candle reversal. When you get that, and this just occurred to me literally seconds ago, with any sort of RSI momentum change, in other words change from red to green, it is, I haven't checked this and done a proper statistical analysis, but it makes sense to me that that would be a perfect reason to consider this long. You've got the trend and you've got the close, because that's what the one EMA or the line chart tells you when it's set to close. You've got the 3-candle reversal and you've got the change of momentum. So you could trade these things without the candles. That's the point I'm trying to make. So we're on a 30-minute chart, so let's say you waited for that bar to close green. The next bar would probably, I don't want to go onto the candles, but you'd probably find something like that, 14 pips. The reason I've got that marked there is because when this 3-candle reversal, once again we know this is a important level, because when it's broken we will have a trend in place, low, high, higher low. Once it's broken, 3-candle reversal, higher high, and lo and behold we have our RSI histo trigger. Doesn't matter whether it's above the 20, doesn't matter whether it's a bust, break and close. Really, you need to do your own homework on this, but providing it's gone from red to green and you've got your trend in place and you've got your 3-candle reversal broken there, again, thank you Aaron for this fantastic indicator. You can find it on my Twitter feed, indicators, just do a search. And then price absolutely took off. These are marked here because they're the same thing, high, low, lower high. Once this low is broken by price, once again you've got a red RSI histo, good to go. You've got to wait for it to close obviously, or obviously you can use the lower time frames to do your analysis, but once you've got the 3-candle reversal, and as I always say, go down to the lower time frames, even from M30 down to 1 minute, and get your best possible entry. But you can clearly see what's going on here. So low, high, higher low, higher high. The line chart is a closing price, so once it's closed, the bar has closed above that level there, you are in an uptrend, low, high, higher low, higher high, 3-candle reversal, which is telling you the bar is closed anyway, because it only prints when you get a close above the previous candle, the 3 CR candles high in this instance. So that's green, good to go long. We've got an internal one here, low, high, higher low. Once the high of that is broken, you've got a lower time frame 3-candle reversal going on, which allows you to attack that level there, and once that level is broken you can continue on up. So if we move into a higher time frame, then we will see this whole sort of messy swing here just become 1-3 swing. Instead of swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will become a 3 swing reversal. Swing 1, 2, 3, and then you can see it's continued on down. And that's how this works. That's the fractals. Excuse me. Low, high, higher low, higher high. Line chart's broken the high of this one here. Green, good to go long. And that messy one we saw on the 30-minute now becomes a lovely clean low, high, higher low. Candle has broken out there, or the price rather has broken out and closed. Lo and behold, it's green. and the important bit is you've got a new trend in place, because this is a low, high, higher, low, higher, high. That is a trend reversal. Once you've broken through this one here, low, high, low, lower high, lower low, once again we've got an even more powerful trend reversal. So the line chart, as I've said on Twitter, is in my opinion a priceless piece of a part of your toolkit. Low, high, higher, low. That high there is your new trend. Green bar, thank you very much, off I go. High, low, lower high. The break of that low there with a red bar is, and that's the 3 candle reversal break there, is your trigger to go. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. The break of that high there is a trend. Green bar, good to go. So, spend time learning what you're looking at. High, low, lower high. That's the downtrend. There you go. Low, high, higher, low. And once this is broken, that's the uptrend, and a green bar, it doesn't look back. This one I didn't look at the RSI. Red bar, good to go. So, that's why I like line charts so much, because they are a trend with the closing price, because they are set to the closing price. Low, high, higher, low. Once that high is broken there, you have a trend in place. It's green, it's good to go. You do not just enter these things willy-nilly. We use the lower time frames, we use our support and resistance levels to see what's going on. This is a resistance level because it has broken the low and created that lower low. So it will present a problem with price, and as such you target that with this new trend here and the RSI. That would be where you would expect to have a problem. As a scalper, that is why I just scalp 10 pips, 15 pips here, there and everywhere. I'm happy to do that, and when it breaks it, then I can get in with another scalp on the lower time frame. So line charts, guys, are priceless. You can go on forever doing this. Low, high, higher, low. Once that's broken, boom, price goes up. Low, high, higher, low. Price breaks through that, up it goes. Green bar, a little bit later on here, so that the entry was probably around here. High, low, lower high. That is the break area there. If you're in red, which you were here, then you've got a potential trade to the downside. This is your resistance, your support, that will potentially stop the price, because this created a higher high, broke that high there. So let's just look and see what the candles did do on that level actually. Well, let's put a vertical on there and see what it looked like on the lower time frames. Doesn't really show you an awful lot. There's that level there, our level we talked about, and you can see price bounced off of it, came back, used it as support, finally gave way with a close, pulled back, tested it as resistance, and so on and so forth. So line charts, guys, priceless pieces of kit. Look at that, you can't see anything on that candlestick chart there, but stick your lines on and it all looks lovely and clear. There, breakout of there, it should go up. Breakout below here, it should go down. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Evening rather.